Nandita. Today we both are here to do a practical experiment or model that helps to collect the waste dumped on the land as well as the waste dumped in the water. Why? Play. So let's get started.
Waste is the main source of pollution. Many of them dump waste like pack of snacks, plastic bottles, polythene bags, etc. in sea, ocean and other water bodies that can suffer animals.
So we both came up with a new idea that gives relief to animals in the land as well as the water. So,
Swasti, do you know the long-term vision of waste?
yes,
Will you explain me?
why not? This project hopes to accomplish four main goals in long term. Create efficiency and convenience within the system and usage. Change the culture of handling waste through the mass scale education programs. Develop and implement the new solution using research and development. Utilize the most advanced technology of our earth to do everyday system and operations. Do you know stages of involvement?
Yes, I
So
know.
let's get started.
Generation. Analyze and reduce the source of waste. Collection. Identify and improve the system of collection. Segregation. Identify and evaluate existing process. Treatment. Identify, evaluate current system and put in force of more efficiently.
So, what made us to come up with this new idea? So, let us learn what made us to come up with these new ideas. Problems. Even under this one option, many things go wrong in India. The highest landfill should not be below the highest flood level of the locality, which is never ensured. The facilities of a land consequently facilitates an aerobic fermentation in place of an non-aerobic pheromones, thus delaying this process of settlement and stabilization from 2-3 years to decades. Another main important source that made us to come up with this idea is an authority in India do not bother about the purchasing of a land for this purpose. Most of time, they utilize their private lands for other garbage dumping and reduce other such sources such as arrangement of landowners to get the reduce of the rising their lands to the highest level free of cost by providing their private land for dumping it. Some of the hazards of existing open for dumping waste of the sites designs from other lands and water bodies to drainage the drainage system of everyday nor contains the retained water. So, in India, Jiska company came up with a new solution to change the dumping garbage into sanitary landfill, but they failed in this because probably the both hard work were not made. So, what are the solutions to overcome these problems? Do you know?
Yes, I know the solution.
So, please can you explain us?
Okay, solution. Biodegradable wastes. Given 85%, a major chunk of total waste is biodegradable. Composting is a great waste treatment option. It is also suitable for because of high moisture content. Our waste moisture is one of the most important factors in waste management. Rich municipal solid waste in India exists as much as 65% of moisture, whereas it is only 23 to 33%. Bangladesh 15 to 35% in Europe. Major waste here more suitable for composting. Moisture in municipal solid waste helps quicken and instant decomposition and fermentation.
In case of non-degradable waste, the second option is building of sanitation landfills is the process of dumping waste after the treatment to the cleaning of hazards. To control the methane gas erosion to the surface of a ground, treatment designs and engineers prerequisites to conduct this solution or a method. This is requiring an initial capital investment. In India, landfills to this day, JICA failed because of the prerequisite conditions were not met. So, and also, our model has one more special quality. That is, sometimes some metals or magnets are dumped in
waste or land.
water. So, taking this advantage, we can recycle or reuse this metal. So, our model helps to take this metal as it has a huge rod metal and also the magnet attached to it. So, that can grab magnet or metals easily through it so that we can segregate the waste in between magnets and all. So, let's see how our model works.
3, 2, 1, start.
This model may help us to clean the waste dumped on the land. That may be waste or anything. So, this model helps our earth, our world to keep more cleanly. So, this is how our model works. Let's think that this is ocean and the waves will be going so that our garbage dumped in the oceans will move to this machine, and when we lift up this,
The
water
water
drains
will
quickly
out from the model.
if you want